guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I think we're gonna do a craft with me video. I'm working on a birthday challenge entry and I've been putting it off for so long, but let me just give you the gist of it. So I got this box from Dollar Tree and it says work that crown, and then I pulled up some crown cut files on my Cricut, and I made sure to use like some tropical type papers. So I already glued this one. This one has pineapples, and then this one has some, you know, fun party drinks. I don't want to say alcoholic beverages, but we're just gonna say party. And these are the other two crowns that come with the cut file. I'm not sure about this one. It might be a nice little border for something, but we have the other cut file, which is this one, and it's also cut on pineapple. So I'll just put you guys on time lapse and we can work this project together. So I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I just came back because I wanted to share this other cut file that I had from my Cricut. These are supposed to be Christmas ornaments, but to me they look like party hats. So I'm going to pull out some pom-poms and add some to the tops of them after I get them glued together. Get them attached, add the pom-pom on the bottom, and these should fit all into this little box, just like so, with the party hats, so with the crowns. So I'll put you back on time lapse. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with as far as the extras. Whoops. I was trying to go with the pineapple theme. You know, it's a summer theme and also a birthday. It's for a female. So I wanted to empower her, encourage her. Anyway, it says work that crown. I got this box from Dollar Tree. It was in one of my recent hauls. And I'll decorate the inside later, but this is what I have so far. So inside we have 3 crowns. And the first crown, you know, she could wear either, any, or all. So this one, I have the pineapple paper, and this is from the Tropic Vacation from Michael's. It was a hot buy. Anyway, I added some bling that Miss June had shared with me. I used that here, and then these are some jemmies, flat back jemmies that are in my stash I had for forever. The second crown, I have this pineapple trim, and then it has, I used tropical drinks paper, and it's kind of pink. It's got strawberries and kiwis and umbrella drinks, and I just added some flat back gems again from my stash at the points and at the valleys. And then this is pineapple trim that I hauled from Hobby Lobby on clearance, and I thought that was a nice little trim on the bottom. And then finally the third one, I just added a little bit of yellow trim here, and then I put flat back gems on the very top of the crown. I might add some Nuvo drops to these crowns, but we'll see. Also the birthday party hats, I added the pom-pom I hauled from Walmart, and this is just a Dollar Tree bow topper. It looks like this, and then I pulled it apart and the segments look like this. So I just took the pieces apart and stacked them onto each other and just made sure the petals were facing out. The iridescent petals were facing out or up. And then I added some Dollar Tree trim. It's this right here. I've had it in my stash. And I added some flat back pearls on here. And then this is just a little circle that I added to the bottom, and I used a paper clip to keep it closed. And then I shared some of the flat back gems in the inside of this party hat, and you just use the paper clip to keep it closed. And then the last one, same thing, and then I used some Dollar Tree stars. This is from the Crafter Square, and I just added the trim and the pom-pom and the flower also on the top. And then on this one, you just use the paper clip again to open that up, and inside I shared some of my dewdrops that I had colored using some Sharpies and some of my permanent markers, and that's what they came out like. And I just want to make sure it goes back in, and of course it doesn't want to, so I have to fold the edge down and fold this down, and then I put that in the bottom. Alright, and then use the paper clip again to keep it closed. And that's all you need, and the bottom looks like that, and it stays closed, both of them. And so I'll put them both in the box, and I'm going to leave that silicone moisture thing in the bottom of the box. And then I just stack the crowns. This is the hard part, is getting them back together. So stack them just like that, and watch the pineapple trim like that, and then I'll just take it and put it in just like that, and I will just put the lid right on top. I still have to make a card and an embellishment box. So thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. Come back for part 2, and I will do the embellishment box with you all.